1v1 kami ni Hank. Ayan oh. Alam ko si Hank yan.
Not necessary. I'll neutralize the target myself.
Tama ba? Huh? Palo. Oh. Ay, palo. Ay, palo. Oh. Bang. Di ba sila magkakampi? Ano pinaprotekta na nila? We finally meet, bro.
Didn't realize I had such a big fan. How about an autograph?
I heard you were a smartass.
Copy. Eto, shotgun. Uy! Copy ba? Iiwasan niya lang. Copy. Okay, ito kainin niya. Tinamaan yun. Ay! 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 Gusto mo! Sabay mo! Boom! Shotgun ka.
Not bad for someone at death's door.
Thank
Worry
God.
about me. How sweet.
Copy. Di natin lapit yun. Aw. Okay mo? Kulit na ito yun. Med injector. Kulit mo. Ay! Malabala. Uy! Gago! Boom! Sweet moves! Eto sa'yo! Bang! W.
Sneaky bastard.
Ano kasi Zeno? Si Wesker? Tatangkihin mo to? Gago lang bala.
Getting a little handsy, aren't we?
Make no mistake. Nothing will stand in my way.
Oh.
Complete this
I
mission.
am your big. Boom! Boom! Ano ka ngayon? Hindi ata si Hank to namatay eh. Mortal Edge. Malakas ba yan?
Ran into trouble. This guy was one tough bastard.
Coming from you, that's quite the compliment.
Yes, that's a compliment. Tibay mo. Tibay nun man. Si Hank ba yan?
Grace should be nearby. Time to finally get some answers.
La. Gagi, yung ano ni Leon. Virus.
Grace should be just up ahead.
Kumakalat na. Oh, nangihina na si Leon. Ano to, mga itlog? Sago?
Grace, this is where we are. The world is under threat.
Wala,
The
pinapaikot
technology to
ka lang
control
niya.
Mother's will already exists, but it's not efficient at infecting others. I believe Spencer solved that with Elpis. The connection sealed Raccoon City to save it for themselves, and it's been waiting here ever since.
Para sa Elpis. Major problem ang Elpis Anong gagawin ni Grease? Fingerprint? What does the
This
creator
is as far
desire?
as we could get. If the wrong password is entered, the Ark will be destroyed, and Elpis will be lost forever.
Hala ka, anong
So
password?
tell me, Grace, what's the password?
I don't know.
Of course you do. You're the...
Leon!
Oh,
Don't embarrass yourself, Mr. Kennedy. You can't beat me.
oh really? Is this it? Ikaw, wala Wesker no?
Aren't we fancy?
Gagi kasi Kasi yun man.
Don't move! Oh, wait!
Sige
You
kayo.
still need me, right?
Ano yan? Gagi.
Come on! Grab tight!
Mautak din sila yan Mga itlog.
I got you.
Halimutan si Zeno.
Are you okay?
Feel like $1,000,000.
Bigyan mo na yung box.
Where does this take us?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Tae? Ano yan?
Time to get off. Come on.
Putik na yan, tae.
What now? Leon. Leon!
Gagi ka. Hindi mo si Leon. Leon. Leon, no way. Pagalingin nyo si Leon. Ubus yan kay Leon. October 9, 4:53 PM. Mga di natutulog to Lumalala na yung sakit niya. Anong gagawin ni Grace? Gagi ka. Kumalat na sa ulo.
Leon, are you okay?
Sheesh.
How long was that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
A while.
Well.
Those marks.
T-virus.
It's T-virus. Stage 3 infection.
If you're so sick, why would you come here?
This place. Raccoon City was where it all began for me. Where it all happened, I couldn't make a difference.
So I am here now.
We can't stop Zeno.
Wait guys, may napili. Guys, yung box shoes natin dyan na men's penny loafers, one of our best top selling yan in terms of loafers ha. Top quality yung gamit nila dyan. Yung box shoes men's, one of our best loafers. Okay, accurate yung sizes, napakalambot at napaka-stylish. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa dyan ha. Para kayong bumili sa mall. That's the right term, you know. Para kayong mall quality yan, Melodia, yung box shoes natin.
He said something about you having a password. What was he talking about?
I don't know. I'm sorry. Here.
Baka yung binigay sa kanya ng nanay niya.
I'm gonna destroy Elvis.
I'm coming with you.
No, you're not.
I don't want any more regrets. Whatever it takes, count me in.
Ayun na. No regrets, Grace.
If anything happens to me, you promise
You kill me.
you'll end this.
Ay, you eldest pala.
I promise.
Come on.
Uy, si Grace na ang gamit ko. Hinang-hina na si Leon, no? Man.
Look, there's a door over there.
Crane's blocking it though.
Let Leon rest, bra. Takting tae yan, oh. Tae ba ito mga ano, flesh? Kadiri ang ngala. Ay, yung gamit ko pa din. Galing.
I can check it out for us. You think you can give me a boost?
Guess we're about to find out. Come on.
Ayan na, booster. Galing. Tas puro zombie, eh, no?
Watch out for yourself up there, yeah?
I will.
Kaki ka. Bisa mo, Grace. Naghihingalo na si Leon. What in the electric fan?
Once I go down, there's no getting back up.
Alright, let's do this. Uy, wala akong bala. Baka mamatay ako na yan. Walang balang wala. Ano gagawin ko dyan? Ayun, ano to? Susi na naman.
System locked. Override key required for reactivation.
Putik na yan. Susi. Saan ang susi? Yan, may bala tayo. Okay. Balagbag na. Balag na. Ngek, 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 ngek. Wak lang po enta. Central Refining System, Pandora. Restricted areas, archive, Central Refining, Pandora.
Okay, just beyond here.
Nanang keycard. Ikaw may naghihingalo ah.
Warning. Threat level orange. Confirmed in storage sector.
Talaga
Critical
naman.
error. Containment lockdown failure.
Really? Ay puti ka, Miliker. Shit. Ay, oo, bulag to. Ay, pura. Ano yan? Nakapatay. Mali. Mali. Pumunta ka daw nun. Gagi, ayaw niya umalis. Sayang yung bait ko. Bait lang talaga. Bait. Takti talaga ng ligar. Isa pa to sa ano. Malagkit eh. Okay. Slowly but surely lang. Sinusundan lang natin eh. Diba? Mga ganyan ang mga tactics dito. Ay, kagi uminto. Ay, putik. Dalawa sila. What the damn? Dalawa silang ligar, man. Gogi. Ay, pula ka! Ba't ka nakabak? Nakabak ka! Hindi ko mapapatayan, alam ko. Putik na yung nagtawag. Takbo na, Chris. Gagi, nahabla ko. Bisa mo. Dito ata tayo pupunta. Kailangan ko ng keycard. Ay, talaga naman. Ay, grabe, anong zombie yan? Ice Age. Kuha bala. Smooth. Contents will disperse. Ayun, pamatay sa ligar. Goodies. Mamaya ka na tumusok. Kala ko bahala. Oh my God. Hindi ko na rin. Kagi kayo, Miliker. Malakas kayo ah. Gagi, yung isa pang ligar naririnig ko. Holy damn. Damn. Asan yung kukunin ko dapat dito? Wala ba dito yung pakay ko? Ayun. God. Tabi. Takte talaga ng liga. Nakakainis. Busit. Pwede ba to? Bawal. Normal talaga. Isa pa pala ako. Hindi ko alam. Ha? Dami naman nila. Chris, wala tayong bala. Danger level. Use.
All right. I'm good.
Tahimik lang. Tahimik lang tayo. Di tayo bingi yan eh. Basta naka-crouch tayo. Diba? Ano lang, wag lang maingay. O baka may maapakan tayong bubog. Kanina nakapak tayo ng bubog eh. Nice. Grabe, delubyo. Inabot. Ayun, nakabalik tayo. Nice. Valid job. Ayun.
All right, Leon. Be careful.
Central Refining. Saan yun? Darida.
I need to get going too.
Sundan ko lang sa Leon. Ayoko dyan kay Liker. Ay, meron ba? Meron ba dito? Wala pala. Bosit. Joke lang. Wala pala daan dito. Kaya lang. Crouch tayo. Marinig tayo ng busit na Liker. Magnetic key. Ah!
Nice.
Baka ito yung para sa color red. Okay, crouch lang ha. Tandaan natin, may Liker dito. Tahimik lang tayo. Go. Tahimik lang. Tama yan. Tama yan. Crouched lang tayo para di tayo marinig. Eh, may zombie pa ako nilagpasan dito kanina. Galing tayo eh. Okay. Ano ba? Pwede ka makreate. Ah, med injector. Okay. Helpful. Ito, baka dito. Ayun. Tama. Correct. Correctly correct. Wait lang ah. Charge lang. Kakabaliw yung Liker. Uy, ganda ng ano to, resort? Ay, naku po, ano naman to? Fire.
Threat level red in storage sector. Rebooting AI control center. Noah.
Takting yan, bibigyan na naman ako ng Liker. Bottle of acid. Nice. Thank you. Ano to? Takte, di ko alam. Asan ba tayo? Monitor. Ay, kagi sumobra. 50. Tangik naman. 50, 60, 80. Oh. Thank you. Nagano lang ako magic. Ito, may liquor dito, pustahan. Nice. OG character talaga si liquor. Hindi mawala. Latak eh. Ano to? Sofa? Bukas ba to? Oh, may glass. Paano kung pupunta dito? Ah, sa baba. Okay. Umbrella Corporation. Banas. Give me that. Emergency supplies code sterilize 10 90 20 10 90 20 sa sa sterilization chamber. Okay. 10 19 20. Oh, na liquor na yan. Doon, punta kayo doon. Yan. Good dog. Grabe. Nag-ingay. Putik na yun, ang dami. Dami liquor. No choice ako dito sa isa. Paano yung battle of... Ay, naku po. Dapat pala di ako nag-mid kanina. Kyatay. Eh, gagi, may zombie. Oh, place it. Kumidikar dyan. Ayun, extra pouch. Wala naman ako laman. Putik. Yan, punta na. Atakin mo, liga yan. Liga naman eh. Doon, bili, takbo doon. Hanip na yun. Zombie to, buwisit. Takbo na, hanip na. Grabe lang, kita ko. Yat. Saka na to. Thank you.